Marami
Yes, sir.
nagtatanong dito bakit hindi yata nabibigyan ng pansin yung dating Island Cove. So for the
Unfair
record,
naman po
sinisilip
yan.
nyo rin.
That is unfair. Yung commission po naman, nababasa ko naman sa social media yung sinasabi ng mga netizens na we're being selective, we're being this and that, we're afraid because of this and that. No, the commission does not act like that. Kung totoo po yan, di sana hindi na namin tinira yung mga malalaki rito, mga nauna. Wala ko kaming pinipili. Ang aming panuntunan ay simple lang. Ang sabi po ng Executive Secretary Bersamin sa amin, PAO, the Secretariat, should follow where the evidence leads them. So ibig sabihin, kami po'y nagbabantay kapag ito po'y naging actionable. Una, if the intelligence becomes actionable, ibig sabihin, meron kaming posibleng complainant, posibleng deponent, kami po ay mag-a-apply ng search warrant para maging justiciable, para mapasok ko namin yan.